Good morning. Today I'm loading up my truck to go do some wainscoting at my daughter's house. Put tools in the truck, load up everything, and see you when you get there. Okay, so we've arrived at the job site here, and the customer has a small dining room, breakfast nook, you might call it. It's an 8x8 area, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to remove the baseboard and install a beadboard that's made out of MDF. I prefer the hardboard beadboard, but I couldn't find it, so the MDF is all they had. And we're going to install that about 39 inches around. Okay, so we've removed the baseboard. We got our first panel here cut to fit, and we're going to install these all basically the same. We cut this to go around this vent here for the heater in the house, and I had a laser level and I marked the top of the wall where it's level, and I've also used a stud finder to find the stud so I can nail in there. Now what we do is I use Gorilla Glue here, and I spread it out on the back. It helps it adhere to the drywall that's on there before we nail it. So I'll show you quickly how we do that. And we'll go ahead and get it in place. Hold it up to the line. Get my finish nailer, and then I'm going to tack it, or I'm going to nail it in the studs where the rails and stiles will hide it. Top and bottom.
Sage.
And then we'll press on the board to help the adhesive hold. And the rest of them will be installed just like that. Okay, we got all the beadboard panels up. As you can see, nice and level all the way around. And now on to part 2, where we're going to assemble the rails and stiles for that'll make up the panels.